Now, the High Court in Milimani is expected to give directions on the deployment of the military to restore calm following violent anti-finance bill protests. This follows a move by the Law Society of Kenya, LSK, that moved to court seeking conservatory orders to stop the process of deploying the military, citing irregularities in the process. This comes even as the National Assembly gave the green light for the deployment of the military across the country on Wednesday morning to restore calm.
Angered by yesterday's killings of unarmed protesters, the lawyers' body moved to court to stop the deployment of the military, barely hours after the National Assembly gave the nod for their deployment. In the petition, the Faith Odhiambo-led society argues that none of the protesters who are against the Finance Bill 2024 are armed, and thus deploying the military is against the Constitution. LSK argues that there was nothing in the protest that would have been deemed as an emergency to warrant military involvement. However, according to CS Duale, the choosers' protests were akin to security emergency following damage to key infrastructure. In a Gazette notice dated June 25th, the CS announced the deployment of the military to help police stop demonstrators from invading critical infrastructure. LSK has urged the court to suspend the decision to deploy the military until the case brought before it is heard and determined. High Court Judge Lawrence Mugambi has certified the matter as urgent, and the case will be heard on Thursday. This comes as the National Assembly approved the deployment of the military until calm is restored. Ruth Wamboi for Prime Edition.